Lockdown has been great. There's been so many opportunities to make money whilst at home. This trade on the Euro New Zealand was exceptionally beautiful and paid out 150 pips. We're going to show you how we prepared for this trade. Stay safe, stay home, make money. Here's a disclaimer. It's required by law. Just so you know, we enter trades with risk based on this book, My Trendline Breakout Strategy. Let's get to it. All right, guys. So I thought I'd just do a video. I've missed a couple. It's just been mad hectic. But anyway, let's take a look at this video. A phenomenal trade that we took on the Euro New Zealand. Let's just break down here. Let's just break this down a bit. Okay. Here we are. We're on the this is the Euro New Zealand. Right now we're on the daily chart. Gives you an overview. Gives you the bird's eye perspective. Okay. And this is the trade here that we've got involved in. It's quite interesting because you can see here's the level, here's the level, here's the level. So that, technically speaking, right, is a level that has been shown respect many times, right? In history, look, you can go back, respected, look, respected, right? And here we are trying to trade it. Let's see what happened, okay? And it's quite interesting that price came down to the level. It looked here like it was gonna go, right? If you look at this here, you look at this there, they look quite similar, right? So that there went up, that's 190 pips, right? So it looked like it was gonna go. You could call that the bounce. Price comes back to it, and then it actually takes off. Here though, it wasn't a bounce, we broke through. Right. So where do we go from here and how do we trade? So this was on my watch list. As I always tell the guys, you keep it on the watch list, come down. All right, it broke through the level. This is a beautiful trade, however you want to cut it, because it broke through the level. I am a stalker. I stalk. But you can see the break here. You can see the setup here. Okay, trend line break, boop. And then, having broken the trend line, what we then proceed to do is put the lipstick on. Okay, listen, guys, it's not like every single trade you do is going to work, but when they work, okay, thank you very much. You know what I'm saying? We're happy campers. So how do we well, let's do this. Stop loss. Let's start from there. You're going to protect the trade. Okay. Stop loss is down here. And then you're going to come up here. You're going to have entry one. This is just a quick video. Entry number one here. And then you're going to come across there. And then you're going to have entry number two. Right. And then you're going to come across there. Oh, you guys, look, just please remember to like, share, most importantly, to subscribe. Right, yeah, so this is such a beautiful trade. So you got the entry, stop loss to entry, the entry two. Now let's just continue on, entry one, entry. Then we're going to have our take profit, right? These trades are so beautiful when they work. And take profit. You're going to take profit once, right? And then you're going to take profit again, because you've got them with two positions. You've got them in multiple positions. Right? One of the things with the market is, listen, it doesn't. You'd think it doesn't do the same thing twice. But what you've seen with these videos is that it does do the same thing over and over and over again. You can see this trade. It's so beautiful, right? Break of the trend line, pullback. Now, this is on the let's note this. This is on the hour chart. You can see up here. Okay. Now, if we drop down, I've marked this all up on the hour chart. Right. Now, bear in mind, look how many pips we're getting here. Okay, we're going from here. Look. This is what 140. I mean, come on, that's really good, right? Let's drop down to the 15-minute chart, and it looks even more amazing. I mean, look how amazing this looks. Bloody hell! I mean, that's beautiful stuff. Right? Break of the trend line. Exactly how I traded it. Let me drop down to the 15. I'm aware of this line here, by the way. Right? Break of the trend line, breaks across. Okay. Initially, obviously, you're like that. I mean, let's just be honest. That's what you're doing, right? Broke the trend line. It broke here. Marker. There's your first one, right? 1, 2. That's 53 pips right there. Okay, right. But this is on the 15. I'm taking some profit here, but obviously the bigger trade comes to bear when you see that it's broken the bigger trend line as well. Pull back, and then here's your 50. Where is it? You got your pullback here. You're a bit underwater, aren't you? 27 pips. But you're headed for 106. That's your take profit too. Right? That's just a good day in the market. Hope you like this video, enjoyed the setup, etc. And I will see you on the next trade. I don't think I've missed anything, and I do want to thank you. And yeah, see you on the next trade. Cheers. Bye.